Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU Presents, I'm bringing Boxycharm. Yes, the regular Boxycharm. This is for September of 2019. So before we get started, I want to thank everyone who is new. Thank you for being here. And for those of you that are returning, thank you for being here and welcome to everyone. So I did not, for September 2019, there was a Boxy Luxe version. I did not choose to get Boxy Luxe. Boxy Luxe is a $49.99 box, and it is 4 times a year. So every 3 months you get, you have to be a Boxycharm subscriber, and then what they do is they take your $21 and then they bill you again $28.99, so that, because this box is $21 a month. And then on the 3rd month, which is September of this month, they would have charged me $49.99, and they would have given me a bigger box, Boxy Luxe. I chose not to get it because I am trying to curb my spending. I'm leaning towards my no buy, although I failed a few times. And now they're coming out with a Boxycharm Premium, and that box is going to be $35 a month. But here's a kicker. You have to be a Boxycharm subscriber, I believe, in order to get the premium, I believe. So let me see. Are you able to subscribe to Boxycharm? Something like that. I know the Boxycharm Premium will be $35 a month. This is going up to $25 a month in October. And then the Boxy Luxe, which is every 3 months, you'll pay the $25, and then they'll charge you $24.99, so $50 for that month. But I'm about to say, I don't think I'm gonna get, because if I have to get this, I think you have to get this box in order to get premium. I'm wondering if you can, what I was looking up, or does that start in November? November. The premium starts in November. I think I'm hoping that they just have Boxy Premium like that. I don't want Boxycharm or Boxy Luxe. I just want Premium. Hopefully they'll be able to do that. But as of right now, I'm not sure. But there's a lot of videos out there explaining the process, and I'll look into it, and then maybe I'll do a video as well. But right now, let's unbox Boxycharm. So Boxycharm this month was $21. I believe either in October or November, the price is going up to $25 a month. So this may be my last box. Okay, so I have version 1, and this is Boxycharm All Access, and it did come late. Like normally I get this box in the beginning of the month. I received my box today, and it's the 17th. So go figure. So the back of the upgraded box, I wanted to so bad get Boxy Luxe this month, and I said, no, calmate, you're spending too much money. So I stopped it. I canceled it, and I was already pre-charged for this. Like I had a 3-month subscription for this box, and this is like the last month, and then they'll charge me again in October. But I'm really leaning on not getting Boxycharm next month, and just getting all of Ipsy, all 3 versions in October. So let's see what happens here. So the first thing I'm pulling out, and the first thing that is listed, is a Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette. And for some reason, I thought this was a bigger palette. This is a $29 value. I'm looking down just because it has the value there. So that's what the front of the Violet Voss Essentials looks like, and it's the Pro Series. I do like Violet Voss, but now I've got to look, because I think I have these same colors. I don't know. Well, I have these colors for sure in something else. It does come with a mirror on the top, but I don't want to blind you. But that's the colors there, and I will be doing a review of these. I have not been using these because I want to do a review of all the products in another video. But that is actually very, very pretty. And I can do a lot. I mean, I could do a lot with this one. So that's $28 there. I mean, $29, my bad. $29. And like I always do, I will list the total value like right here, so you can see what the total value is of the box. The next thing I'm pulling out is Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Didn't we get a Dr. Brandt in a box? Not sure. let's see. So that's what it is. Hydro Biotic. Dr. Brandt. Actually, probably will try this. Right now I'm using Tatcha's, so I'll probably wait on this one. It says it's supposed to, it deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation, which is good because I do have redness on my cheeks, so I wonder if this will help out. So this is retailed at $52. You know I'm not going to go out and buy this cream anytime soon, so I might as well use up that one. And then, oh, I thought it was missing something. The next thing is Moda 5-piece brush kit. And this one is retailed at $27.95. I love getting brushes. But you know, don't they sell these in Walmart, Moda brushes, a little cheaper, or $27.95 a lot? I think my daughter said if you make each one like $10, then this would be $50, but I guess, I don't know. $27.95 for eye brushes. And you get a shade brush, a crease brush, a detail brush, a smudge brush, and a line brush. So you get all of those. That's actually good for me because, you know, I just grab a brush and do whatever with it. Then we have next is the Blickety Black Hank and Henry eyeliner. Hank and Henry, that's what it, and this is retailed at $20. Introducing our latest addition to the Stick With It line of products. Our eyeliner is vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. This formula is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those hooded eyelids. Ooh, is it? I'm gonna have to see. Let's see what this is all about. I have hooded eyes, so can't wait to see what magic this will do. Do I have to shake it? Okay, peeled it down. Normally they say to transfer resistant. Ooh, I can't wait. No, it doesn't. So that's the tip. Now is this, what is this, fiber marker? Ooh, I like that already. Look at those lines. Precise, really nice. I can't wait to try this out. Oh, it's like, if what goes in? I think the tip goes in because something gets pushed back when I put the top on. So that's good. And then the last item in this box is a $1 billion brow, the Micro Blade Effect brow pen. This brow pen mimics the look of actual brow hair to get a micro blade effect. Man, I hope it's not like this. There's this one product, what was it? Maybelline or Revlon something. I don't know what it was. But supposedly it had like this, like it was like this. So then you can make lines, but it was horrible. Yep. Oh, it's the same shit. I hope this is better. That's the tip. Just like the one I had, and I hated it. See it? Oh, I'm going the wrong way. See how the little, it looks like a, I don't know. I hated the other one I had because it was so thick. Let's see if this one's, oh, maybe this will work better because the other one was crap. There, I made some lines. Hopefully this will work. It's kind of light, but what color is this? This is dark. No, it should work. Oh, I can't wait to try these out. Maybe it is better. It's way better than the product I use. Look at that. Looks nice and it goes perfect with the eyeliner. I love it. And that's everything. What? I feel robbed. That's like everything in this box. So the $1 billion brow, which was this micro blade effect, which actually looks pretty good. And then the Hank and Henry Blinkety Black eyeliner, the Moda 5-piece brush kit, the Dr. Brandt, and the Violet Moss. And that was, again, version 1. I feel so robbed. I feel like there was nothing in this caja. So brushes, Dr. Brandt, $1 Million Brows, Hank and Henry, and the Voss. Oh, and I got something else in the mail today. I had posted it on my community page, but by the time I think by the time I found it and put it up there and people were able to see it, it was like it had ended the freebie. So this comes from this was a free eyeliner I signed up for. It comes in this box. It's called UZ. Yeah, thank you for being one of the first people to get involved in the movement. The more we the more we disturb the peace and question the way we live, the better we become as a society. How do we unframe the beauty? By sharing. We're sharing this product with you because it's our way of giving you something beautiful. It's our way of proving to you that we can create something extraordinary and offer it for a reasonable price. Did you know our eye-opening liners are made using handcrafted brushes with recycled steel and sustainable plastic? Our packaging is compostable. I can't read. And our formulas are highly advanced, clean, long-lasting, all of this, and we offer it to you for $16. So this is what the packaging looks like. And this came today as well, and that's the back. It says UZ by what the hell? Flofushi? Oh God. I thought I said shit. Flofushi. I don't know. That's I'm probably killing that word. That's the name there. And eye-opening liner. Wow, so I got this for free. This is the movement to unframe the beauty. We're not just hoping for a fairer system, we are creating a fair system. We're changing the way people think about cost and value. We hope you will be inspired to share it too with friends, with others who feel boxed in or frustrated by the frames all around us, with those who want to see a more balanced world and those who want to democratize, oh my gosh, beauty for all. Seriously, I need to start reading again. We'd love to hear from you. Please write to us or tag us on social media if you feel that it is impossible to unframe the beauty. Do you think this eyeliner is unframing the beauty? Actually, I love the packaging. Again, it's compostable. It's compost friendly. And that's the back. So let's open it. Let's see what it's about. Ooh, so that I don't think you can stick that, but this box you can. This box is recyclable. This is recyclable. Be part of us or UZ. What is that? Unframe the beauty. So it comes with this little. Oh, okay. So here is the little thing that came in, the little paper that came in here. And then it says eye-opening liner, and it has all those liners. Hopefully, has all those colors. And they're on Insta. So I can't. Ooh, that white one. Is it us? Will unframe the beauty or use the shake well before use. Liquid may stain clothing. Clean spilled oil. Foundation with tissue paper. Keep in horizontal position when not in use. Oh wow, so it doesn't leak. It's beautiful though. Eye-opening liner by us. I think that's us, right? I think they're trying to be like fancy. Let me know in the comment section. You know, y'all help me please. I was trying to see if you can see the name. It's really pretty. Let's see. And that's the tip. That's the tip. Let's see. I made 3 lines there. That's actually kind of nice. What color is this again? I can't now read. I can't read this. 1BF eye-opening liner. Did I say it was black? Nice. Oh my god, so confused. Sorry for. Yeah, brown black. Softer than black, stronger than brown. Brown black creates beautiful depth. It's vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, phthalate-free, alcohol-free, sulfate-free, dye-free. See, it says all that right here. Yeah, and those are the ingredients. if you're interested. So $16. I will put their link down below if you're interested in this liner. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try both of them with liners. So that's it. That's all I have for you. So thank you for hanging out with me. I appreciate it. Thank you all for being here. Look, I'm trying to wipe it off and it doesn't come off. You know something? So thank you for being here. I truly appreciate it. Like I've said a million times, thank you for being part of my journey. I appreciate it. I'm not going to get sappy right now, but I do appreciate you. I thank you at the bottom from every inch of my body. Thank you so much for being here and listening to me and act silly and can't pronounce half the words that I should already know how to pronounce. Anyways, with that, thank you. And until next time, hasta laterz.